Hi everyone! We have here a brand new BMW M2. The modes we have done on this one, we lowered the unit using the KW HAS, height adjustable suspension coilover. We'll show you the spring and the adjuster. Below the spring is the adjuster, the purple one, yeah. This is a 1 finger gap. And also, we add on 15 mm wheel spacer on the stock wheel to give that more aggressive and sporty look. Fender level, perfect. And also, we have here a brand new Ford F-150 Raptor. This is a V6 3.5 twin turbo engine with Fox suspension, adjustable Fox suspension, adjustable exhaust system, sound, you can adjust the sound, and this is a 10-speed transmission and 17-inch true beadlock wheels with 35-inch tires on it. Okay. Feel free, if you're interested with our brand new unit here, we have also the LC70 series available. And please subscribe and like my YouTube channel, PRS CAR ACCESSORIES and Services. See you here, guys. Bye!